Friends, running kimono, and I actually got a triple stack working for me today. Still using that unicorn booster of spend a penny, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Are we at the Dollar General? Where are we? I had a spend 12, get 55, and then a paper spend 40, get back 9, and all of those stacked for me, and I got a really amazing basket working. Okay, and for those of you that want to just take a quick glance at the basket before we go through individual deals, it was really fantastic. I did have two little mess ups, but I will explain them. I thought I was doing things right, but something just did not work out for me. So we'll address that in a quick second. And my co-editor, Susie, would ask a very small favor. If you could possibly give this video a thumbs up, helps out the channel greatly, helps me out greatly, just so more people can get in on these deals over at Walgreens. Please give this video a big, enthusiastic thumbs up. The first thing we're going to do, guys, is look at deals. If you don't want to do a booster, just you want to get in on some regular deals, that's what we're going to touch on. So the Oral-B, select Oral-B toothbrushes that are $5 a pop are printing back a $5 register reward. That did print for me. I just had some issues. And this is part of the bigger part of Olay, Gillette, Pampers, all that stuff, but I didn't buy that in the same transaction. But anywho, jumping ahead of myself, printing out a $5 register reward. We have this, a $2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each toothbrush. You hear me talk about this rebate app. I absolutely love it. Sign up today. Link in the notes. It's a terrific app. $4 back. I mean, shut up. Okay, so here's the math for this one. Grabbing two of those Oral-B's for 10, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 8, getting back a $4 register reward, and then $4 back from IBOTTA, making this free. 2 toothbrushes for free. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward, and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA. Don't forget that, because this is a tremendous deal. Absolutely love it. Okay, so this is where I found a bit of trouble today. $4 register reward for Colgate when you buy 2, and I bought 2 that were tagged, and they were ringing up for $3.99. The register reward did not print out for me, so I don't know what happened for me this morning. But it's on the Colgate products only for this register reward. I did buy the soft soap in the same transaction. It gave me a $5 register reward, which is a different one, but who really knows? Very nice manager gave me $4 in lieu. This is the digital that you have to load, which is a 3 off a 2. So definitely have that guy loaded for this deal. Here it is, guys. 2 of those Colgates is $7.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $4.98, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per tube of toothpaste. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, just to get some cheapy toothpaste. Now, this deal, if you might still have this booster and you want to participate, this would be a really smart one to do. I'm going to let you know that the $5 register reward when you buy 4 of these did not print out for me again. So between the Colgate and this, I don't know why it was only those 2, but just be warned. If you're at a very strict store, you might have to get in touch with the Catalina company or customer service if your register rewards don't print. And 2 weird ones didn't print for me, but everything else did. So have this guy loaded, which is 50 cents off of one of these dish soaps by Dawn. And if you know, you know, it's the best. I went back because I'm like, did I dream that up, a $5 reward when you buy 4? No, it's in the flyer. So there it is. I don't know. But I did mix and match, but it shouldn't make a difference. So I don't know why it didn't print for me. So grabbing 4 of these, it's $15.96. I would use that 50-cent digital. Have that booster loaded of a spend a penny, get a $5 Walgreens cash. Pay $15.46. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, so I would pay $5.46. You've hit that threshold of spending a penny. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward, shaking it out to $1.36 per Dawn. And these are the big containers. I believe this is a super duper deal, guys. I would pursue it. In the comments, let me know if your register reward has printed for Colgate or this product. And is it just me? Is it just me? What's going on? Okay, guys, so these are the boosters that I got to stack, which is spend a penny, get $5 in Walgreens cash. spend 55, get 12, and then I had a paper one of spend 40, get back 9. That paper one comes out of the Catalina machine. I got it last week when I was in the store shopping. Your mileage may vary if you get them or not. You decide if this is a deal worth pursuing or not. So just to show you my $55 basket, I got 3 Olays for $21, $7.98 for the 2 Colgates, $10 for 2 of the soft soaps, and $14 for 2 Doves. I was a little short from hitting that $55 mark, so I bought some Easter chocolates for the baskets that I'm making for some nieces. So I did that, and then the cat isn't included. Just to go through the pictures of the items that I grabbed, we have the $5 soft soap. And it says earn a $5 reward when you buy 2. Colgate isn't listed here, so I thought that if both a 5 and a 4 would print, who really knows? And this is the digital coupon that I had loaded for this. And then I also grabbed the 2 Colgates and had the 3 off of 2 loaded as well. I'm just not going to show it again, or this is going to be a 3-hour video. I also grabbed 2 more Dove body washes for $7 a pop. $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Yes, I got my $4 in Walgreens cash back, so that was quite lovely. We have a new digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 5 off of 2. I mean, I prefer the 7 off 2, but for a $55 basket, I'll definitely load and use this one and be so grateful. And then I also grabbed 3 of the Olays. These were not tagged at the store, but they were part of a promotion of buy 2, get a $4 register reward. And this 5 off of 3 did in fact attach as well. And then I got my little Easter candies. These are $1.49. I grabbed 2 of them to get me to the $55 threshold. Lots of cleaner is also on clearance, but nothing really excited me. So I thought, definitely the chocolates for Easter baskets would be something I'd want. Okay, mes amis, I just wanted to also include that I used 1 register reward. If you look at the top, it says manufacturer. This is from the Dawn deal last week. As I was buying those chocolates, I knew it would attach to that. So every digital coupon came off for me. So that's why you're going to see $15 in manufacturer coupons. And if you look at the top, manufacturer, you can use this in a basket with boosters. Okay, so looking at this, guys, 3 of the Olay body washes for $21, 2 Doves for $14, 2 soft soaps for $10, 2 Colgates for $7.98, and then 2 miscellaneous Easter chocolates for $2.98 for the grand total of $55.96. I have a spend 55, get back 12. That's why I wanted that large number. I got the cashier to scan the 9 back when you spend 40. I had the penny booster when you spend a penny, get 5 back, plus the spend 55, get 12. I also had $15 in digitals, 14 plus the $1 register reward. So with my debit card, I paid $40.96, not including my tax. I got $30 back in Walgreens cash for the boosters and then for the Dove, and then $13 back in register rewards. The Colgate one didn't print, so the manager gave me $4 post. So it made this free plus a $2.04 money maker. Remember, as you're using 3 different boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess everything up. You 2 of my register rewards. The first one is for the soft soap body wash and the second one is for the Olay. And there should have been a third one for the toothpaste, but it didn't print. So, and it would say Colgate Palmolive, so it is not there. So just be mindful of that. Today is the first day of the month, so maybe why there's some issues. But if you've had them print for you with no issues, please let me know. Please let all of us know because we're very curious. And one last thing I'm going to talk about before I take off is Rite Aid. The bonus cash challenges are wrapping up as Tuesday's the last day of the month. So I just went and got a mix and match of items I needed for my bonus cash challenges. You can obviously use a screenshot of this 5 off 25. You can use it multiple times per store card. Just get your basket right to 25 and it should work pour vous. Nothing to really sneeze at, and everybody's bonus cash challenges are completely different, so I'm not going to make a video on this because I know that you probably don't have the same ones as I, but I got my challenges done this morning, so that was a mad dash as well. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.